Here's a certified 2016 Ford Focus. You'll love driving this Focus. A sleek design and interior craftsmanship combine for a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, selective service internet access, manual telescoping steering column, manual transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, when it comes to that elusive fun-to-drive factor, for example, you'll find the Focus to be one of the more engaging cars in its class, with nimble handling that doesn't come at the expense of ride comfort. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.